Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to compile Python using cxfreeze. Now, actually Python is a good language to learn, but it has a negative. The sharing capabilities are quite low. Let me explain. So basically, if someone has Python, they will just double click this and it will open and you could do what you want to. But if someone doesn't have Python, in that case, actually, you would just see the file like this, like a text file. It would open in a text editor and would not actually do what it is supposed to do. So to do that, we actually need to compile the files. And also one more reason, if suppose I am making it in Python 3 and someone has Python 2, it won't work either. So let's just start. First off, we need to download cxfreeze. This is the link, I'll put it in the description. I use Python 3.2 in a 32-bit Windows, so I'll download this. And it will send you to SourceForge and you'll download it there. But I have actually already downloaded it. So I'll just open this, run, install just for me. And just hold on a second while I'm installing this. Okay. And that's it. We have successfully installed the cxfreeze. But now we need to make actually the file that we are compiling. So I'll make a file right here. I'll actually use the math module just to show you that even modules work in the compiler. So I'll just do import math and then I'll do this. So basically I assign the function math, the function sqrt in the module math as the name sqrt. And now I'll ask for the input and I'll prompt enter the number here. And I'll do y equals square root of x. I'll do print y and then I'll do press enter to exit. Let me just see this. Okay, I guess that'll work. Let's save it on a desktop and I'll name it sqrt.py and let me just run it. So I'll enter the number 16. It's 4. Perfect, it's working. So basically this is the file that we'll compile, and then we need a setup.py, and that is not difficult to make. You see this is actually what we'll be typing in there. I'll just put those in the description and just copy this from the description to a text editor and then save it. And I'll save this as setup.py. It's important to do that. And that's it. We have these two files. Now we'll put this in the Python 32 that I have. It's in CPython 32, this directory. If you have installed it somewhere else, put it there. And these two need to be in the same directory along with the python.exe. And once it is finished, a new directory would be created named build, and that is the directory where you will have the compiled files. So first of all, our setup.py isn't complete. You just complete it. So the name is sqrt. The description is just type test, and the executable we have here is sqrt.py. Okay, we are done. And let me start now. Now to do the final step, that is to execute this, we actually need to go to command prompt. So let me just type cmd here, and we do cd backslash, pardon me for that, and you go to C, then you do cd and Python 32. Here you are in this directory now. Once you are in the directory where your Python is installed and these two files are there, you type this in the command line. So I'll just do this. I'll put this in the description too. By the way, my directory is cpython32. That's why I typed this. If your directory isn't the same, you have to type the directory you are using, and then python.exe space setup.py space build, and we will just press enter and wait. So that's it, we are done. Here's the build subdirectory, and you just drag it out. This is your file, and I'll rename it as sqrt. Now when I try to open this, this is sqrt.exe. It will ask me for the input. Let me just do 64 this time, and it gives me the correct answer. That's good. So it also has the math module here, and that is good. But there's one negative with that actually. Let me show that to you. If you see this file and this file and compare the sizes, you see this 126 bytes and this is 4.14 MB. And why is that happening? That's because it imports a whole lot of things actually. So this is a different file, and then the library is quite huge and all that, but this all needs to be here. You cannot move it anywhere else, and it's quite helpful actually. I use it a lot. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope it helps you guys. Bye.